Today's widget is stack. Stack is useful if you want to overlap several children in a simple way. For example, having some text and image overlaid. So here I have created a stack. It has children's. The first children is sized box of height 500. Putting a network image into it. Now what I want is an overlaid text on this image. So what I'll do is create a container of the same height, giving it alignment of bottom center, creating a style that is a text widget, changing style of text like font size, color and background color. So as you can see, the text is overlaid on the image at the bottom center.